Mature Diva. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. You know, I have been on my weight loss journey for a while now, and I have found that sometimes you just need to change things up. So today, we're going to do a product review. So welcome back, Mature Divas, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. To tell you about my weight loss journey, at my highest weight, I was 228 pounds, and I have just weighed in at 175 pounds. So I've been on a journey of Ozempic and Kusimia, eating well, and walking and drinking plenty of water. And like I said, sometimes you just need to shake things up. So today we're going to do a product review and unboxing of Sweese 22-ounce salad and pasta bowls. These are porcelain, they are beautiful, they come in 4 colors, they are dishwasher safe and microwave safe. So if you're new to the channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber, and please hit that like button so we can grow this community. Let's get on to the unboxing. I'd like to thank the Sweese company for reaching out and giving me this opportunity to do this product review. I am so excited. So let's get into it. Well, the first thing you'll notice when you get your box in the mail is that things are packed very, very well. And this is a pretty heavy box for 6 bowls. There we are. So I'm not sure if this is right side up or upside down, but we're going to continue. Well padded. I'll show you here. Wow, it is really well padded. Wow. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at this, guys. So each one is layered with protective foam here, or padding rather. So this is the Sweese 22-ounce pasta bowl, and you can use it for a variety of different things. You can use it for vegetables and pasta and all kinds of different things, desserts. I'm sure this will be beautiful. So I will be back in just a moment. I am going to wash my bowls, and I am going to prepare one of my favorite meals is steamed broccoli with cheddar cheese on top. So I'll be right back and I'll show you how that's going to look here. And you know, one more thing I wanted to add before I go and make my meal is that this would be perfect for salad and soup, desserts, ice cream, just about anything you can think of. And this can actually replace a dinner plate. You can just put it in your bowl and go. So this is really great quality. Like I said, this is porcelain. So I'll be right back with my meal. Okay, everyone, I am back. As promised, I have my steamed broccoli with cheddar cheese. See how that turned out in this 22-ounce bowl? It's shallow, so it makes everything just look so beautiful. Look at that. I can't wait to eat this tonight. This is a very simple recipe. There's only 2 ingredients. I have the HEB baby broccoli florets. I'm in Texas, y'all, so HEB is my store. And the HEB sharp cheddar. So I want to thank you all for joining me on this product review. I want to thank the Sweese company for sending me this beautiful 6-piece porcelain white set of bowls. This 22-ounce set is beautiful. I cannot wait to share it with my family, cooking great meals, great nutritious meals, by the way, so I can continue with my weight loss journey. I will tune in with you guys on another video really soon. In the meanwhile, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay fabulous.